Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios with a very special medical and health video for you today. This one comes to us from Dr. Mo's. This is a knee brace as well as an ice wrap. It's pretty freaking fantastic. You get two high quality items in one box, and it is designed by a medical doctor, a doctor of physical therapy. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. So first off, let's look at the ice knee brace. Now this thing's pretty awesome. And just as an FYI, this can be used on your knee. It can also be used, say, on your arm or to ice other areas. Just 3 hours in your freezer and you've got more than 30 minutes of cooling technology. And you can see soft to the touch. This thing's not gonna leave you freezer burned feeling, which a lot of ice packs will. I know mine, my previous ice pack, you put that on your skin and it hurts. This one is a much softer, better way to treat your skin. But going back to, this is the bread and butter, this is the important one here, the knee brace itself. Now this thing is pretty awesome. It does have various Velcro straps to where you strap in underneath the knee as well as on the back, so it gives you extra support. Again, this is from the mind of a doctor of physical therapy, somebody who really knows his stuff. And that's who you want designing this stuff, not just some little engineer who said, well, this will fit on your leg. No, this is much better. Now I remember when I played catcher in baseball, I used to have to wear knee braces because, let's face it, a lot of sports are pretty rough on your knees. And those knee braces, they were just a silicone tube and you pulled them up over your leg. They offered a lot of support, no mobility, and they didn't hit the right area. It was all just a constant amount of pressure. This offers the support in the spots where you need it most to prevent future injury. Now myself, you know I'm a fitness guy. I'm always into fitness. I'm talking about fitness products, health supplements, and all that sort of thing. Well, I work out every single day. Every day for the last 20 years, I've been in the gym. One of the things I do is right off to the left of the studio, we have a stairwell that brings us up here. I'll do 20 minutes in the evening up and down those stairs. Now I know that's not great for my knees. My mom has had both knees replaced. Should I really be doing that? Maybe not. And if I do, I wear a knee brace to help support my knees, because doing that without the knee brace, I'll get a lot of pain. This eliminates pain almost immediately. So if you have knee pain, give this a shot. I think this is really going to help you. Now this is designed for professional athletes and, there we go. Designed for professional athletes, and the quality of materials is second to none. You can see up close on it, the double stitching, the high quality stitching, all of that, and the very soft material. This is going to absorb a little bit of sweat, just because let's face it, when we're doing sports, we're walking around, we're doing things, we're gonna sweat a little bit. This thing's gonna keep that knee brace stank down. Smells good, smells like new even after using it. So let's go ahead and look at the box. This is one size fits most. I'm 6'2", 220 pounds. It fits me just fine. My friend Amanda, she's 5'2", 120 pounds, and it fits her just fine as well. So there's a large variety, and I'm not maxing out the max size, and she's not maxing out the small size. It says rapid reduction in knee pain. Ice wrap can be used for other areas. It's a rugged knee brace for serious athletes. So it has flexible spring stabilizers as shock absorbers. So that's pretty awesome. Premium materials built with punishment of elite athletes in mind. So if you're a marathon runner or something like that, you don't have to worry about this. The non-slip silicone band keeps brace where you want it. That is something I did notice about this. Wearing it around for a good bit of time, I noticed that this thing stays in the right spot, but doesn't just completely cut off blood flow. It offers the right amount of snugness to keep it in place and give you the support in the areas you need it supporting, but it's just not painful to wear, not annoying to wear, which is important. The adjustable X straps offer additional support. We showed you those earlier. And the patella knee pad is great for knee protection. So an amazing set of products, 2-in-1, designed for elite athletes. And of course, the ice pack, it says, gives you 360-degree coverage, helps bring down inflammation, helps with arthritis.